Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of kitchenware that's not just about cooking, but about hosting, celebrating, and creating memorable culinary experiences. We're talking about the Arc 84 Quart stainless steel seafood boil pot. This isn't your average stock pot. This is a behemoth, a true workhorse designed for serious cooks who love to entertain or tackle those larger-than-life recipes. Let's start with what immediately strikes you about this pot: its sheer size. The 84 quart capacity, which translates to a substantial 21 gallons, means you can easily prepare massive batches of crawfish, crab, lobster, or shrimp. If you're planning a big family reunion, a neighborhood block party, or even just an ambitious weekend feast, this pot has you covered. It's designed to cook for a crowd, and it does so without breaking a sweat. But size is nothing without substance, and that's where the build quality comes in. Arc has opted for what they call premium quality stainless steel. This is food-grade stainless steel, which is crucial. It means no harmful coatings to worry about, and it's inherently safe for all your cooking needs. The material itself feels robust. When you pick up this pot, or even just look at its hefty construction, you get a sense of durability. Arc highlights its durable and stable design, claiming it won't deform easily, especially when used outdoors. This is important for a pot of this magnitude. Think about the weight of water, seafood, and potentially boiling oil if you decide to venture into turkey frying. A sturdy design is paramount for safety and longevity. One of the standout features, and a very practical one at that, is the included drain basket. This is a game changer for seafood boils. Instead of trying to awkwardly scoop out your ingredients or drain water through a colander that might not fit, this built-in basket allows for quick and efficient draining. It's designed to keep your food contained while letting the excess water escape, which makes the whole process considerably less messy and much more convenient. This thoughtful addition really elevates the user experience. The versatility of this pot is another significant selling point. While it's marketed heavily for seafood boils, the "cook more" feature in their description suggests it's capable of much more. Boiling, of course, is its primary function. But it can also handle deep frying a turkey, which is a popular holiday tradition for many, and even steaming tamales. This makes it a multifunctional cooking vessel, ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with different cooking methods and cuisines, especially on a larger scale. Arc also offers this stock pot in different sizes: 64 QD, 84 QD, and 100 QD. This selection is excellent for consumers because it allows you to choose the capacity that best suits your specific needs. Whether you're a small family that loves to entertain or a large gathering host, there's a size for you. The 84 quart model we're looking at today sits comfortably in the middle, offering a balance for many users. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are quite evident. The massive capacity is unmatched for large-scale cooking. The premium food-grade stainless steel construction promises durability and health safety. The integrated drain basket is a fantastic convenience feature that simplifies draining. Its versatility for various cooking methods, from boiling to frying, adds significant value. The availability of different sizes allows for personalization. However, there are a few cons to consider. Firstly, its sheer size means storage can be an issue for many kitchens. This is not a pot that will easily fit in a standard cupboard. You'll need dedicated space for it. Secondly, the weight, even when empty, is considerable. Moving it around, especially when it's full, will require some effort. Cleaning such a large pot can also be a challenge, requiring a good amount of space and possibly some extra help. While it's durable, the stainless steel surface can be prone to scratches over time if not handled with care, particularly during vigorous scrubbing. Lastly, while a brown paper table cover is included, it's a small addition to what is otherwise a very substantial cooking setup. For those who truly plan to use this for elaborate boils, additional serving and cleanup supplies will likely be needed. In conclusion, The ARC 84 quart stainless steel seafood boil pot with basket is an exceptional piece of equipment for anyone who frequently cooks for large groups or enjoys hosting seafood boils and other big batch cooking events. Its robust construction, practical features like the drain basket, and versatility make it a valuable asset. Just be prepared for the storage and handling demands that come with such a large item. If you're in the market for a serious, heavy-duty pot that can handle your biggest culinary ambitions, this is definitely one to consider. Link in the description.